Use the touchscreen on the DS200 to perform all on-screen steps. The touchscreen makes it easy for election officers to enter information and review and print reports. Begin by entering the election security code. To avoid inadvertent entries, one election officer should enter the election security code while another officer watches. Next, touch Accept to print the configuration report. On the screen, verify the election and precinct number and name are correct and the DS200 is receiving power. Touch Open Poll to print the Zero Totals report. When the report is finished printing, 2 election officers confirm all contests are zero, then tear off and sign the report. Attach both the configuration report and Zero Totals report to the statement of results. On the screen, verify the public count is 0 and the protective count matches the designated envelope. At 6:00 a.m., touch Go to Voting Mode. The DS200 is now ready to receive ballots.